Hey guys, I'm Davian. Today I'm going to be reviewing a train that I did. Sadly, I did destroy the 777, but it's better this time. Here it is. It's a Canadian National CN train. It's really special. I don't know which number this is, but it has the air horn. There's the cab. I forgot to put him in the figure. It's a runaway train. Yeah, but I think this is the train that crashed in 1986 against a Canadian National train. Just crashed head-on into a Via Rail train. But good thing this one was a survival train. But sadly, some of the and also one of the Via Rail was survived. The other train was gone. But this looks pretty special. Has the cabin there. The reason that it crashed into the Via Rail train is because the driver crashed. The driver of the CN train had suffered a heart attack or stroke or something like that. And this is the same wheels that I used for 777. Thankfully, I would never dare to destroy. Where is it? Oh, there it is. I would never dare to destroy Thomas. Just made him a little bit shorter. I just make him short than he was before. But he's cool. So here's Thomas against the CN. Thomas is a bit taller, and but he's short. Than the CN train. Goes another way. The CN train, there was this accident, and this was for 32 years ago. It happened in 1986, where this train have crashed into a Via Rail train. But oh well, who cares? This is it's a different train. It's not the one that crashed. I mean, he can go real far. See? But not on carpet. But yes, on ground. And I'm sure that this train plus Thomas, they can both run on train tracks. Still do not have train tracks. I haven't bought them at the store yet. Thankfully, I'll get them any of these days. Well, thanks for watching, guys, of my Lego CN train. Thank you for watching. Bye. Peace out.